First, we're talking about mitosis. And this is your average animal. Now, the first step of mitosis is interphase. Now, in interphase, centrosomes appear in the cell. The second stage of mitosis is prophase. In this stage, the centromeres begin to go to opposite ends of the cell. Now, the nuclear membrane, nucleoli, disappears, and the genetic material comes together to form chromosome. Also, the nuclear membrane begins to deteriorate. The third stage of mitosis is prophase. In this stage, the centromeres have completely moved to opposite ends of, while at the same time, the chromosomes in the middle have condensed even more and have formed kinetochores at their centers between the two chromosomes. Also during this time, the nuclear membrane has completely fragmented. Now, since it is completely fragmented, it allows for the microtubules between the two centromeres to invade the nuclear envelope and attach to the kinetochores in the chromosome. Fourth phase of mitosis is metaphase. In this phase, the two centrosomes are now complete opposite poles of the cell. Now, while this is going on, the chromosomes have lined up in the middle of the cell where the metaphase place.
Attached to the microtubules at their kinetochores because they're already lined up at the metaphase 2. Okay, the third step of meiosis 2 is anaphase. In this step, sister chromatids break apart because the centromeres that attached them before break down and then begin to move to opposite poles of the cell. The final stage of meiosis 2 is telophase 2 and cytokinesis. In this stage, the sister chromatids move to opposite poles and begin to decondense into genetic material. This is the nuclear envelope reforming. And then a cleavage furrow occurs as seen before, and at the end, cytokinesis completely divides into two new cells.
In conclusion, mitosis creates two diploid daughter cells, which are each genetically identical to each other and the original parent cell, while meiosis creates four haploid daughter cells, which are each genetically different from the parent and from each other. Mitosis is important because it enables multicellular adults to arise from zygotes, and it also produces cells for growth, repair, and in some species asexual reproduction, while meiosis creates gametes and allows for genetic variability among gametes.